Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Shorne. I'm going to take you on a culinary journey of Saint Lucia. I know we're all in quarantine, and I'm going to make you a simple recipe that's going to make everything amazing for you. You're at home, just follow me, follow me. Today, we're going to make a red pepper sauce, roasted red peppers, paprika, we have some nutmeg, garlic, thyme, and the highlight will be corn. Follow me. I love street corn. When I go to grocery at the street party, I smell that corn roasting, I want to get it. So I want to incorporate that same dish and idea to bring to the plate at home. It starts with, we're going to get into the cooking right now. You're just going to roast this in the oven. Hold like this. Don't even need to season. And every corn dish needs a sauce and a protein. Today, I'm going to give you this fish. Look at this lovely fish. Just follow me. I'm going to use some coconut oil to get this fish done. It's so funny. My grandfather used to work in the. Let's season this. Simple seasoning. Salt, pepper. Just focus on the fish. Just trying to get my gloves into order for this. My pan is nice and hot. I got this beautiful red snapper. Just a nice hot pan. The pan should be hot enough. Hear that? Since I'm a chef, this is what you do to get a nice crust. You pat dry your fish, you rest it like this. Just hear that season. You know I'm from the Caribbean. Saint Lucia, we believe in our spices. Just let some red peppers, Scotch bonnet, seasoned peppers in that fish. No lemon. This is so easy. Hear that bubble. We're just gonna throw this in the oven. We're gonna work on our corn. So I went ahead and got some corn made. I just love the smell of fresh corn. We gotta go TV magic, just watching the pan. Again, we get some coconut oil.